everyone, welcome back to Latest the Kitchen. So in this video we're going to show you something very common, many of us know about it. So every one of us knows about shawarma. So we are going to see how to make beef shawarma in this video. I think it's really easy. So to make it really easy and more easy, we are going to show you how to make beef shawarma in this video. Add beef to a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of curd, and now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of whole spice powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili flakes, red chili powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And now it's time to give a whisk to the mixture. So once it's all well mixed, it's time to add the 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and mix it again. And let it marinate for 1 hour. And now take a vessel or bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, one tablespoon of yeast, and 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, and add half cup milk, and then give it a whisk and let it well combine. And once you are done with it, start kneading the dough. So we are going to knead the mixture, and you can see it has become a proper dough. And now it's time for us to cover and let it rest for 1.5 hours. And now add chopped cabbage and half cup of sliced onions, half cup of cucumber, and half cup of capsicum, one-fourth cup of sweet corn, 1/3 cup of tomato, and then lime juice. So once we are after adding these, we have to add the green pepper sauce, and then salt for taste, and give it a mix and let it rest for a few minutes. And now we are going to start with the shawarma sauce. For shawarma sauce, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano powder, and now we are going to blend it using a blender. While blending, you have to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and blend it properly. So after blending is done, now we are going to go for the next step. So heat the vessel and add 1 tablespoon of oil and add the mixture that we marinated, I mean the meat mixture. And now we are going to let it cook for 15 minutes. So make sure the color of the meat is changed. And now it's time to go for the next ingredient. So we are going to knead the dough and make it into small rounds to make the rotis. And as shown in the video, you have to cut it as much as you want. So after kneading it, so you have to let it cover and rest it for like 10 minutes. And then sprinkle some flour and start working on it. So you can like make it a big round with using a roller. You can use a working mat. And once you are done with the shape, you can let it heat. So as shown in the video, this will change the texture of the roti will change. And now it's time for you to go for the next step. So we have to, while heating the rotis, we have to add some butter to make it gold in color. And then after heating it, so you have to transfer it to a dish or a plate. And then you have to add chili garlic sauce for taste. And then the shawarma sauce, which we prepared earlier. And then we have to add the salad, which we have already prepared. And now it's time to add our cooked beef. Again, you have to cover the cooked beef with shawarma sauce. And now you can roll the roti using a baking paper, or you can just roll it. And now it's time to eat your shawarma. So we saw how to make restaurant quality beef shawarma. Hereafter, you don't need to go to restaurant to get a beef shawarma or even any other shawarmas, any meat varieties. So you can try it at your home and let us know how it turned out, because we are waiting to hear it from you, and it's time for me to go and taste it. So it's time for you to start doing the shawarma and let us know how it turned out, and comment down your favorite dishes, because we would love to hear from you and we will make that dishes for you from our side. That's it for today. Again, bye-bye and have a good day.